Here's a video of how I'm trying to get the coolant bottle back in. I've removed the lid for the fuse box. The fuse box lid's removed. You got to make sure you don't hit these tabs and ruin them with the washer bottle going down. So the whole trick of this thing is I'm going to bend this thing back and shove it down in there. The whole trick of it is wedging the side of it in close enough to give you clearance over here, and then dropping it down below this air conditioning hose. And you want to be careful of this hose, the coolant return hose, that you'll break it off the radiator, which I've done once and had to replace the radiator. So dangerous territory for me here. That's about it. I'm just going to now make the connections on the bottle. I'm going to put the power onto the pumps, put the window washer output pipes on, and over here we have a connection for the the window washer level. So that's about it. Now we're going to find those wires, get them hooked up and shove it down there. I don't have much hope for the clip down there. You can see the clip that I got installed on the side there, the clip that this thing clips into. I kind of butchered the clip and I just kind of shoved it unceremoniously back there, but I don't think the clip is going to make it, so probably won't have a clip. Anyway, now that the ABS pump is done, the washer bottle goes back in. Thanks for watching.